How to add two-factor authentication to Facebook. Your first step would be to open up your Facebook account. Head over to settings and privacy. Once you have, go ahead and open up your security settings. You can do this when you head into Account Center on Meta. Now, once you're here, just go into the password and security section. Once you've headed into password and security, just tap on two-factor authentication, and then you'd see where you have to select a security method. You could go with an authentication app or text message or security key. Go ahead and select the authentication app, and then where it says choose a verification method, choose how you want to receive your verification codes. If it's going to be via an authentication app or text message, the authentication app is better because it's stronger for security. And then all you need to do is just enter the verification code sent to your device by completing your verification to activate the two-factor authentication. Now, once you're done here, just go ahead and save your backup codes, as Facebook will provide backup codes. Just save them somewhere safe in case you lose access to your phone, and then you can test your security or the security of your account by logging out and logging back in to make sure the extra security layer works properly. All right, guys.